Right, just a quick video of a car that I've just picked up. It's a 2001 Y registration 2.2 petrol CD. It's obviously been stacked up the rear end, cars went in the back of it and pushed it slightly into the car in front. Most of the damage is at the back, just minor damage to the front bumper, and the bonnet's just pushed back a little bit, but that's it. No other damage to the front. All the rads and everything are okay. It's a 37,000 miles from new car. The engine itself, as you can see, is pretty much as it come out of the factory. So full service history has been serviced pretty much every year on the dot since it was new. It's just had a cam belt done. Yeah, so good to go really. So we'll just come around here and just show you the clocks. There you go, 37,513 miles. So the car is stone cold. And just show you. Put my hand down here. Touch all the exhaust and everything. Obviously, stone cold. Hasn't actually been started for 2 or 3 days since I got the car off here. So we'll start it from stone cold. He says. There we go. No lights on. There's no fault code stored. Everything as it should be, really. As you can see, she runs as sweet as a nut.